There you go. So as I said, I had already accident yesterday, car accident, and my car was broke. And now another one again for tonight. And yeah, so my car is sliding down from there. Already totally stopped, but it kept moving down here. And I decided to put my wheel down here in the canal, but it's still going forward. So luckily it was stopped totally, the name of Jesus. And a few minutes ago, after that, when you step out the car, so this truck, white truck, came out from behind also and almost hit our car. And hopefully they're fine and our car is okay. Yeah, because I see the mirror, their mirror is folding already. And he said he's going to try to move his car back. And hopefully, if he's going to do it, he will not hit the car. And we're waiting for someone to rescue us, to move the three car here, because we're stuck. Yeah.
If you move forward,
Me? Yeah. No, I can't.
I do have chains we can lay on the ground.
No,
like,
the car's broken.
oh, it's broken.
That car is.
Oh, you can't move it all?
No, I can move, but I have to wait for the one there in the front.
The tire's broken? Are you stuck?
No. I really did it in purpose, because if I don't put it here, or else I will hit that one. Ayan, medyo may dumating na yung isa. Dumating na yung kasama niya. At na...
I have chains. We can lay these on the ground and you can drive on these, right?
Okay. Yan, maglalagay kami ng chain dito. Tinulungan niya ako para makaalis ako dito.
So you put these down there.
Yeah.
And then this will give you traction for 4 feet. And then we'll stop you here.
Okay.
And then we'll do another 4 feet. And if I can get my truck out, I can tow you out of here.
Yeah. So, we'll see first the plan here. So,
I'll just pull forward just a little bit here and get onto here. Get onto the chain.
Yeah. I know what you mean, but I was checking the wheel if I'm going to straight. Okay. So, I'll just gonna drive now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Straighten out the wheel. And even if we pull these chains out this way, you can drive on them this way and hopefully get back onto the road.
No, I can't. I cannot go like this, or else my back will swing in your car. So I have to go straight first.
Yeah. Okay.
Pull out the car.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay. Ida-drive ko muna mga idol na. Kasi ano.
Slow, okay?
Yeah. So I have to turn my wheel first at that side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you in the white truck?
Yeah.
Okay, man?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. Try ko mga idol na ano. Para
What are
makano.
you doing? Get off that phone.
No, we're good.
Get this fucking thing out of here.
I know.
Hey, buddy, just drive forward slow.
Yeah. So ayan, bali ang nangyari kanina, pinulat ko yung kotse ko doon. Diyan. Bali tinulungan nila ako, naglagay sila ng kadena sa ilalim para makalabas ako at napunta yung kotse ko dito. Ngayon, problema ko naman ngayon, nagdadalawang isip ako kung bababa ako dito kasi mamaya baka madisgrasya ako doon sa unahan. Inantay ko na may dadaan dito yung maglilinis ng kalsada, magpo-flown. Baka babalik sila dito kasi madulas madulas. Baka maano naman ako kasi kumapal na naman yung snow. Dadalawang isip ako kung mag-ano ako dyan, pupurward ako. Nantay ko yung magpa-flown. Okay, try ko na lang. Yan. Sige nga, bali. Na-survive namin na pababa doon. Yung pinaka delikadong daanan dyan sa unahan. Yung ko lang kung nakaalis na yung truck doon na puti. Yan, silipin ko lang konti dito. Yung na sitwasyon doon. Napakahirap. Wala pa dito nakaalis yun. Napakahirap ng daanan dyan. Mas lalo na doon sa kabila. Ngayon, nagpark muna kami dito sa gilid kasi mag-aantay kami ng paglilinis ng kalsada para susundan namin para makauwi kami. Kasi akyatin din yan sa unahan eh. Baka kami doon. Iwas na kami sa disgrasya kasi yun nga, yung nangyari sa akin kahapon na disgrasya ako. Yun. So wala na yung kotse ko. Tapos ngayon, sabi ko sarili ko kanina nung nangyari yun, ako, 2 kotse na yung masisira. Buti na lang ato. Okay lang yung kotse. Yan, siguro baka may mga minor ito na gasgas kasi yung yung mirror ng truck na umakyat dito, gumanon, yung mirror niya natupi eh. Kaya baka may natama siguro dito. Pero sinek ko naman, wala namang gasgas. So sana wala nang damage, no, para hindi na abala o sakit sa ulo na mga ganyan na klim. Ayan. So ngayon mag-aantay na lang kami. Mag-aantay ko diyan ako sa loob ng kotse. Mag-aantay ko ng maglilinis ng kalsada. Sigurado babalik yun sila maglilinis kasi kita naman nila doon may mga disgrasya na doon. Ayan. So antayin ko na lang. Tapos pag nililinisan nila yung kalsada, susundan na lang namin.